Assalamualaikum. Good morning, kids. How are you today? I hope you are fine and keep enjoying on learning English with teacher Juliza. What we will learn today? If you want to know, please take your SuperMinds Student books and turn to page 111. Our objective today: pupils able to say the words with E and E sound, able to match the pictures to the words correctly. Let's see the success criteria. Pupils able to answer the quiz with matching pictures to the words correctly. Are you ready, kids? Let's start now.
Student's Book, page 111. 4. Listen and say.
E, E, E. Jean keeps her teeth really clean. Jean keeps her teeth really clean.
One, 3. 2. Beach. 3. Sea. 4. Peas. 5. Read. 6. Ice cream. 7. Eat. 8. Cheese.
9. Feed. 10. Green. Workbook, page 111.
Two. Write and match. Listen and say. 1, 3. 2. Beach. 3. Sea. 4. Peas. 5. Read. 6. Ice cream. 7. Eat. 8. Cheese.
That's all for today. Enjoy your work. Good luck. Bye.